Hi everybody, Old Iron Will here, and welcome to day 5 of 12 Days of Christmas with Old Iron Will, featuring stationary engines and tractors. So what's day 5 going to be? Any guesses? Are we back to an engine? Are we sticking with a tractor? Any thoughts? Put your comments down below and let's roll in and see what we got on day 5's video. So guys, that was the day 5 video, 6 horsepower International M. I picked that engine up off the original farm that it was used on. It was rigged up to saw wood. It was built onto a sleigh that they would pull around in the winter and go from farmyard to farmyard, sawing up firewood and stuff. Ran a buzz saw. I've got a couple original pictures of that engine doing that job, which I'll loop into the video here. That engine came with the clutch pulley, everything like that. That was just me kind of farting around, putting some fuel into the fuel bowl and stuff like that. The tank is rotted out on it. As you can see, it kind of wanted to run away a little bit there. I had to play kind of with the butterfly valve there and kind of tune it in. And as I messed around with it, got it running a little smoother and a little slower once I kind of got things set in. So no, going to need to build a set of skids and probably build a tank for that one, but actually another nice original engine, and it's really nice when you can know the history of them and what they were used for. So anyways, thanks everybody for tuning in to day 5 of Old Iron Will's 12 Days of Christmas, Stationary Engines and Tractors, and I hope to see you all for day 6. Thanks everybody. Take care for now.